The stock is just fine. The company's just fine. Now what you say, my friend?
Now I say it's still undervalued, and a meaningful overhang has been taken out of the name. You never know what's going to happen with these things. The judge can go any way they want to. But the idea that we would be talking in May, as you referred to, Scott, about competition eating Google's lunch, and at the same time that this judge would rule that there's a monopolistic practice here at Google, well, that was the ruling, but that the punishment would be draconian to reflect that monopoly, that was completely incongruous. You can't hold those two thoughts together. So although it was not a fait accompli, I'm very delighted. This is the news I expected. And now the overhang's gone. And what you've got is a stock that's trading at the low 20s. I think it's about 22 times forward earnings. You compare that to the rest of the Mag 7. And like the rest of the Mag 7, this is going to be an AI beneficiary. Yes, there is competition, but this is Google, a multi-trillion-dollar company that has been at AI for a long, long time. People don't remember that, but it's been at this for decades, and they have a viable product. That's showing up, by the way, in their quarterly results, which I expect will again be the case in the quarter to come.
You catch a fair amount of grief from the bench, and now you get some love. Because, I mean, you told people to just chill, relax, don't make such a huge deal of the Eddie Q thing, even though it's not like it's an insignificant point that he was making. It's just the stock's up a lot, and this is a big deal. 9 target hikes at least that we could find today. What do you think about this? I'd like Jimmy declared this, even with the gain, still undervalued. Well, if you look at mega cap valuations, it certainly has a lower forward PE than the others. Did we make that up? Let's show it if we have that. Because Amazon's like at 32 plus times, as is Microsoft. Alphabet's at 21.3 times. Maybe it's a little more now because of the gain that you're getting in the stock today, but nonetheless, does this start to close? Does this closure, if you consider it that, close the gap from a valuation standpoint between Alphabet and some of these other names?
Jimmy nailed it. Yeah, this is removing a significant obstacle, and I agree with you. I believe there's further upside potential here. When you look at the sum of the parts, you look at the various businesses and the valuation here, one can think about this company trading with a market cap exceeding $3 trillion very easily. Just thinking about the